Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Okay, today I have something great for you guys. A buddy of mine lives in Maryland and he introduced me to fried crab legs. And uh, they were the best thing I ever had. But when I went to the store to pick up crab legs to make my own, I was sticker shocked. My God, $100 for like 4 or 5 crab legs. I couldn't see spending that kind of money on there, so I did some research. And I found this imitation crab meat. These are crab legs, imitation. They actually use a fish called pollock that make the imitation crab meat, and it tastes just like crab meat. Anyhow, I went to the store and I found these on discount, $1. Okay, and they are 8-ounce bags, so it's a half a pound for $1. I went ahead and opened a couple packages up. I have them sitting in here. We're going to bread these up and we're going to try them and see how they taste versus regular crab legs. Again, I don't have the regular crab legs, but I'm going to send some to my buddy and I'm going to ask him what he thinks about it. So now we're going to go ahead and set up our prep station here. I have here 1 cup of white flour. Put that over here. Now, I am going to kick it up a notch. I have here the Honey Chipotle Killer Bees Dry Rub. Now, I had no idea how this tastes on fish, but I have put it on cod before, and it gave it a great flavor. It's got a little bit of heat, not a whole lot. I'll leave a link for the description below where you can get this at. Anyway, go ahead and get this in our flour. Put a little bit in there, and like that. Stir it around. Now, anytime you're seasoning up your flour, you always want to be able to see the seasoning in there. And right now you can't see the seasoning. So add a little bit more seasoning to it. That should do it. See how we did here? Oh yeah. See, now you can see the seasoning. You can see all the little red speckles in there. Don't hurt. You can always add a little bit more if you want to add a little bit more. I said this is good stuff, so. And you notice I'm not putting any salt or any other ingredients in here because that Cosmos is going to be loaded with salt. All right. Got that? Now, put that to the side here. And we'll go with our wet ingredient. We have 3 cackleberries. Put them over there. Guys, try to keep the shells out because for some reason, people don't like the shells. I don't know. They can't take a joke, right? Drop them in there. I'm going to break them up a little bit. And I open up 4 packages of those crab legs. So there's 2 pounds of crab legs here. All right. Now, we got those 2 ingredients done. Third one. Just some regular, I got seasoned breadcrumbs again. I didn't go out to the store and buy the plain. I just had the season. So I went with the Pecorino Romano cheese seasoning. Should be pretty good on that. For your workstation, you're gonna go dry, wet, dry, fryer. I already have my fryer turned on. This is my Hamilton Beach electric air fryer, or excuse me, electric fryer. And I already have it turned on. I think it's up to temperature. Yep. Got up the temperature, so that's all ready to go. So, again, prep station. Make sure you always get your prep work done and make sure your oil is already preheated before you start any of that. So, go ahead here. Again, you're going to go dry ingredient first. We'll put 4 of them in there. Just go around. That. Clack them together. Knock off the excess. Drop them in the oil, put them in the egg. Can't talk today. In the egg. Flop them around. Drop them in the breadcrumbs. Clack them together. Knock off the excess. Lay them to the side. You want these to dry for about 2 or 3 minutes before you put them in the hot oil. You don't want the oil to splash you. You don't want to get burnt. There is a reason for letting them sit and dry. Put them right there. Rinse and repeat. Guys, when we come back, we'll go ahead and fry these up. All right, go ahead and went and got them all breaded up. And we let them dry a little bit. So they're ready to rock and roll here. We got our fryer on. Got the green light. So we're at 345 degrees. Go ahead and put the basket. Well, you know what? We'll keep the basket up, put them in there, and just stack them in. I'm going to do, I'll say, we'll do 6 at a time. Remember, the imitation crab meat is already cooked, so we're not looking to reach an internal temperature. What we're doing is we're looking to get a little bit of crispiness on there, a little golden brown, and that should be perfect. So go ahead and drop them right in the hot oil, like that. And these guys will take probably 3 to 5 minutes each. So when we come back in 3 to 5 minutes, we will show you what they look like. And you can see they're nice and golden brown, and they nice and crunchy. Yeah, baby. That's what you're looking for. A little crunch, a little love. Put them in the plate, and we'll get the rest of these done up. And we're going to have ourselves a little snack. Hey, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Check me out on my Amazon page. I'm going to leave my Hamilton Beach fryer there on my on the Amazon page for you to look at. This is a great little fryer, and it does a fantastic job. Doesn't take that long for the oil to heat up, and it's a lot of fun. If you're trying to cook small batches, this is great for that. If you're trying to do something really huge, and we got a poltergeist in here because it just moved all by itself. But I want to see what the sauce is like by itself, so I'm going to use it as a dipping sauce this time. It's got a crab-like texture and flavor, but it also has a little bit of a fishy flavor. And then I'm getting that sesame honey sauce. Oh my God, is that good? That is a winner all day long. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, and as always, God bless and happy eats.